Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to remove yourself as an admin from a Facebook page? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First of all, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com and navigate to the page you manage. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Audience and Visibility, click Page Setup. Now select Page Access. Scroll to find your name under the list of admins. Tap on your name or three dot icon, then select Remove or Edit and change your role to Remove. Facebook will ask for confirmation. Click Save and just like that, you are no longer an admin. Before leaving, make sure there's at least one other admin or the page could become unmanageable. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.